Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with Hobby Lobby haul, a Barnes & Noble purchase, and a birthday present. I forgot. So we're going to start with Hobby Lobby. I'll start with, I did go overboard. I had a $40 limit, and I went over it, but I bought birthday presents. And I went over by $9, which I didn't think was bad. So I got Riley's birthday's coming up the 28th of March, and with my life right now, I didn't know when I'd have an opportunity to buy her birthday. And Diamond was with me yesterday, and Riley likes Bluey. These were 40% off, so I paid $10 and something for this, and it's a Bluey decorate and removable. And she can decorate her drinking cup. She loves Bluey. So, or water bottle, it's called. You can decorate your own water bottle. Decorate your own Bluey water bottle. So, got her that. And then, this is so cool. I got her this as well. Paint your own light up figure. So, she 12 bright colors. And it was... I don't remember what I paid for that one. 14, I think. Yep, 15. Not bad. $24.99 down to 15. So I got her that. That's what it looks like when she paints it. And you have to understand, she's 7, so who knows what her painting's gonna be like. And you know what? It doesn't matter because it's hers. And I could have bought paint and more paint and a lot of paint, and I didn't because I didn't need a lot of paint, but I picked up one color because I like the color purple. It was a pretty purple, and I don't have many purples, so I don't know, let's see it. And it was $1.12. I mean, there was a lot of paint. You can tell that in my mind that with everything going on with Scott's dad, I just wasn't really in the moment because I had more paint in my cart, and then I doubled back. So that's that one. It's really pretty. It's like a really pretty lavender. And yeah, lavender, $1.12. I didn't go nuts. I think I did really good. Then I picked these up for Riley. They're 40 count assorted wood shapes, $1.12. Riley likes to paint, so I figured she could paint the stars, flowers, hearts, and little heart desires. And then I opened my bugs because I was curious. I picked the stickabiliters, $1.24, and they're so cool. I thought they were so pretty. I love the dragonfly. And like even there's moss, and it's funky bug. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but I thought they were so cool looking. So I got them for $1.24. They were $4.99. I thought they were neat. Just little cool die cuts. Then I went down the stamp aisle. They didn't have many stamps left that I've been seeing, but I did get the Mickey Mouse. Diamond talked me into these because I wasn't really going to get them. They were $1.62, so we got Mickey. I don't know what's under this part. Oh, it's another Mickey. Okay, cute. I don't know how much these were originally. Oh, $6.49 is right there. My bad. Couldn't see. So got that one. Got Minnie and Mickey. Okay. Yep, Minnie and Mickey. And this is just Minnie. Yep. And this is like, you are sweet, sweet treats. Donuts, really cute. Little Mickey ice cream cone. It's cute. So got that one. And that's all I got for the stamps. And then I came across these texture combs. You got one design, one scraped that way, this way, here, there. I got two of them. They're only 99 cents. Got one for a friend. She may have it, but I wasn't sure. And then I get popsicle sticks. I use popsicle sticks to get stir paint. And I just bought some not long ago from the Dollar Tree. But these were 74 cents. You get 60 in each pack. I picked up 2 packs. I use them for stir sticks. And then came across more of these Sharpies markers. And I use these in my art journal when I write. They were $1.49. I took the last that they had. I was greedy there. But hey, the first time around, I didn't buy as many. I grabbed them a few weeks ago also. And they have them still there, so I took them. So somebody had plenty of opportunity to purchase them if they wanted. They haven't been in Hobby Lobby for over 3 weeks. So, alright, the next thing up. Oh, here we go. My birthday's in 6 days, and Scott had Diamond order me the Dina Wakley Mixed Media Journal. He saw it in my wish list on Amazon, so this came, and I never really looked at this per se. I think Teresa has one, so I kind of knew, but I thought it was different. I didn't realize it had the dream page in there. I thought it was just going to be the white paper because it said blue edition. But, so we're going to have to see. Then you get this nice texture paper. And then you go into like a piece of burlap, which would be interesting. And then of course that nice mixed media paper. It's really sturdy. And then it goes in the jean. And you know the drill. So that was interesting, and it's got like 2 signatures. Kind of splits in the center with like 2. Oh, that's not cool. 2 signatures. Wow. Look at that. That's not cool at all. Well, ain't gonna hurt it, but I'm so rough on my journals. Even when I don't start using them, I did not expect that to happen. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. But, oh well, it's not gonna hurt it. So, Scott got me that for my birthday. And then, Diamond and I went to Barnes & Noble, and if you watched my live yesterday in the morning, you heard me talking about Barnes & Noble. Well, I bought myself a magazine. I already have it open because I was checking it out. So it's creative stamping, and this is the stamps. They're so cute. They called my name, guys. Look at the little cow. Oh, that was adorable. So you got celebrate with a little wine glass or champagne bottle, and the champagne glass and it says hello beautiful, and you got lips, flowers. You got all you need is love and donuts. The little mini, they're big VW van. You got a donut with a face in, best wishes, and you got the cute little cow. You got a globe, a pig, and a little duck, and a lamb, and some more ducks. A little squirrel, and then another car. Love is in love. Love thy something air. Love is in the air. Hey girlfriend. Having a quick quacking day. Heard it's your birthday. Hope your birthday is qualita. Like a little frame, flower. Have a wild birthday. Look at the little hanging monkey. Fabulous. Hang in there. A lipstick, and look at the little hedgehog. And then a koala. It's your birthday, eat the cake, and a little cake. Send in hedgehogs, and then another little frame insert to put the little sayings in. I thought it was a cute little one. And then it also came with Kinetic Shutter Card Template. I haven't really... It seemed like yesterday when I opened to start looking at Scott's dad, so he needed my attention. So I really didn't get the chance to actually read or even look at the pages, per se. So it came with this. And so let's look at the magazine itself, guys. How are all used? This one is creative stamping. Oh, I see. So it gives you an idea where you can cut, I guess. Yeah. That's cool. We will check it out down the road. Oh, look at it. There we go. It's so cute. Oh, look at that. I like looking through these magazines. Yeah. Oh, look at it. That's cute. Oh, and if you don't necessarily have the stamps, but you have similar stamps, you can always use your own. Because sometimes I see something here, I'm like, oh, I wish I could do that, but I don't have that stamp. But I have like one like this. Right here is a perfect sample. That's a cute card. I sure don't have these flower stamps, but I have flower stamps. I like them. Funky fossils. There. Little mixed media twist on those flowers I like. Cute, cute, cute. This was interesting. This is the one thing I actually was checking out. It says stamping on clay. And it shows all this, like, take the stamp, stamp it on clay, cut it out, and then painting it and putting it in a frame. I thought that was pretty cool. I was like, wow, that was kind of cool. And I wish I'd have saw this before I walked into Hobby Lobby, because I could have bought some clay yesterday on clearance for like 49 or 62 something. So here's the lipstick. See, I have a stamp set that has all like this makeup line on it. And even I have one in my purses. So there's that one. There's the car. I'd make a cute just married card, or you know, just the way it's set up. Oh yeah, it just says right there, just married. I never noticed that. Oh, just married. That's cute. Awesome. These are so cute. Oops, I think I missed the page. Cool. Oh, I didn't see that one. I might have got that because of all the butterflies and the dragonfly. Huh. Next time. Oh, okay. Let's see the freebie. What I mean by freebie, they usually, I don't know if this one does actually. I'll have to look. I'll look through the book. There's a spot where it says you can go www and get instant download of something or another. Stamp, images, you know, or a template. But I want to thank you guys for watching. That's all I have. I have the day off today. Not technically off. But I don't have to be a constant at Scott's dad's today. I may go down later, but I don't need to. So I will talk to you all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.